I'm really excited to share this recipe with you today. I'm making crispy chicken breasts with a spicy gochujang sauce and garlicky green beans. It takes a little bit of multitasking to get everything ready in 30 minutes, but trust me, it's well worth it. So let's get cooking. Now I've got 4 chicken breasts here and I'm going to place each one between pieces of cling film and bash them with a rolling pin to flatten them out so the chicken breasts are half as thick. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl and lightly whisk together. Then into a second bowl, add 4 tablespoons of plain all-purpose flour, along with 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Mix that together, and then in a third bowl, we're going to add 75 grams, which is about 1½ cups of panko breadcrumbs, along with 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and mix all that together. Now take one of those flattened chicken steaks and dredge it in the flour, then dip it in the egg to thoroughly coat, and then finally coat in the breadcrumbs, and place on a plate or a tray, and repeat with the other 3 chicken steaks. Now these chicken breasts are quite large now, so we're going to work in 2 batches. So heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a large frying pan over a medium heat. And we're going to fry 2 of the chicken steaks for 5 minutes on each side until golden brown and cook throughout. Whilst that first batch of chicken is on, we're going to make the spicy sauce. So to a small saucepan, add a tablespoon of gochujang paste, 2 tablespoons of honey, 4 tablespoons of light brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 1 minced clove of garlic, and 1 tablespoon of corn flour or cornstarch. Then mix it all together until the corn flour is thoroughly absorbed. Now add in 180 ml or 3/4 cup of chicken stock and stir it all together again. Place over a medium heat and heat through for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until that sauce thickens. And you can turn that heat down to very low to keep it warm. Those chicken breasts should be cooked now, so place them on a tray and we're going to place them in a low oven to keep warm while we work on the second batch. Add another 3 tablespoons of oil to that large frying pan and then add the remaining 2 chicken breasts. And we're going to cook those again for 5 minutes on each side. Whilst the second batch of chicken is cooking, we're going to make those garlicky green beans. So I've got 450 grams or 16 ounces of trimmed green beans here, and I'm placing them in a pan of boiling water and boiling for about 3 minutes. Once they've cooked for 3 minutes, then drain them in a colander. I'm going to put that second batch of chicken breasts in the oven while we finish off those garlic green beans. Now add 1/2 tablespoon each of oil and unsalted butter to a large frying pan. Heat over a medium heat until the butter melts. Then we're going to add in those drained green beans, plus 2 minced cloves of garlic and 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Now cook the green beans, stirring often, for about 3 to 4 minutes until just tender. Drizzle over a teaspoon of lemon juice and then turn off the heat and we're ready to serve. I like to slice up those crispy chicken steaks and place them on a plate with the garlic green beans and then drizzle over that lovely spicy sauce. And there you go, crispy chicken with that lovely spicy sauce and those vibrant garlicky greens. I love to serve this up with extra sauce too, and everybody absolutely devours it. See you next time.